Okay, so yesterday we talked about plot and how we have the exposition of when the story starts, the setting, the characters, all the things. And then we have the rising action. Something is starting to happen. And then we have the climax where it's like the big, most dramatic part of the story. And then we have the falling action, some of the events that take place after that part. And then we have the resolution, which is when the problem is solved. So on our chart here, we kind of talked about the problem, the events, the resolution, which the events would also be the climax. So let's think about the story we just finished reading, A Dance Like Starlight. The problem was there's a young girl who wants to really be a dancer, but she only sees white ballerinas. So the biggest part of the story, like the most exciting part of the story, is when she goes to watch an African-American ballet. Like, that was a really, really, really big deal that happened. The problem was solved in the end when she was going to follow her dreams now that she knew things were possible. And so for your assignment, you have a plot chart, and you are going to take the story from Monday that you did. So you may have to go back to where it says Thanksgiving paired passage. Actually, no. You're going to do any fiction story you want. So you can take a book you've been reading, a book you've already read before, and you are going to fill in the chart. What happened in the beginning? Who's the characters? What's the setting? What is some events happening in the beginning of the story? What is the most exciting part of your story? Like something big happens. What are some events that happen before the problem is solved? So you're going to fill that in, practicing that on your own.